Hey everyone, I have an announcement to make. Please catch me. I have an open house, or 2 days, sitting open house for a friend of mine for his listing, 971 Kingmont. I want you to take a look at this. I made a video of this home. It is now reduced to $369,000. It has a new roof. It has turnkey, dishes, beautiful looking remodeled home. So make sure you stop by this Friday, which is March 22nd, 23rd, 24th, March 24th from 10 to 12, or Saturday, March 24th from 11 to 2. You can catch me. I can catch this beautiful house. Somebody has to make her offer on this house. It's been sitting on the market quite a while, and I say this home is like a slot machine waiting to hit. Are you going to be the lucky one? Let's check it out. Make sure you catch me. 971 Kingmont, just north of 466. Has gas, which I love, cooking gas. Beautiful new roof. It's on a little bit of a hill, nicely landscaped. Would make a great primary residence, or if you're looking for a rental property, you're kind of in the middle, you are in the middle of Spanish Springs and Sumter Landing, and you're right near all of the shopping on 466, including Starbucks, Culver's, Publix, the banks, Walmart. Yeah. Bonefish. What else? My friend Kelly's pickleball store. All right. Make sure you come by and say hi to me at the open house Friday and Saturday. Friday 10 to 12 and Saturday 11 to 2. 971 Kingmont. Don't miss it.